What's up, YouTube? Back again real quick. Uh, Mini salutes. Threw together a couple of mini salutes. Smaller than the standard size M-80. 2 grams. 2.3 to be exact. But check them out. Kind of get creative with them. Paper plugs. Short fuse. They bang pretty good. You know, like I said, 2 grams, 2.3 grams in them, so they pack a standard size punch or a decent punch. There you go, mini salutes, paper plugs. There you have it. Okay. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna apologize for not lighting these jokers, man, on my previous videos and stuff. It's just that I live in a certain area in the city, so yeah, it's not good at all. So it's like if I set one of these jokers off, even the smallest one, they will show up. You know, they will show up, and the fire department will actually show up, so to speak. So yeah, but I promise coming up real soon to once again to um, show you how everything that I actually constructed and put together, how it actually performs, how it actually bangs. Um, yeah, so so once again, thanks for watching, and if you like, subscribe, comments. All right, so there you go. Mini salute.